Hello children, we are learning lesson 5 in computer. Lesson name is More on MS Paint. More on MS Paint. What we had learned? We had learned about magic of control buttons. There is minimize button, restore down and close button in control buttons. There are 3 buttons in control which are they? Minimize, restore down and close button. We had learned about it. So, in previous class we were learning using tools group. Using tools group. And I taught you how to start a paint program. Click on start button, all programs, accessories, then choose paint option. Choose paint option. Okay. Now using tools group. The tools group has many tools that have different functions. These tools help us in making drawings. These tools group helps us to make drawing. To use any tool in the tools group, simply click on it. The tool will be selected. Move the pointer to the drawing area. Press and hold down the left mouse button. Now drag the mouse to draw a picture. When the picture is complete, release the button. So, how to use tools group? If we want to choose pencil tool, okay? If we want to choose pencil tool, it is free from curves. So, we have to select it simply. We have to click on it. After that, we have to move the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Then press the left mouse button. Press the left mouse button, hold it, and until picture is complete, you have to hold it. After completing the picture, you have to release your button. Clear? To know the name of a tool, place the pointer on that tool. If you want to know the tool's name, you have to place the move pointer on that tool. If you want to know this name, okay, this tool's name you want to know, then you have to place your mouse pointer there. You have to place your mouse pointer there on that tool, then you will get the name of that tool. Is it clear? Next, pencil tool. So the pencil tool is used to draw free-form lines or curves. This pencil tool is used to draw free-form lines or curves. Pencil tool. This pencil tool is used to draw free-form lines or curves. How to select pencil? Select the pencil tool from the tools group. Select any color from the colors group. First you have to select any color from the colors group. In colors group there are many colors. You have to choose any color. You have to choose any color. After that you have to move the pointer to the drawing area. Select the pencil tool from the tools. First you have to select the pencil tool from the tools group. After that you have to choose any color from the colors group. Then you have to move your mouse pointer on the drawing area. Press and hold down the left mouse button. You have to press and hold down. You don't have to release. You have to press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the pointer to draw kites as shown in the figure. If you want to draw kite, then you have to select pencil tool. After that you have to choose any color. Then you have to move your mouse pointer on the drawing area. Then you have to hold and release your mouse and you draw kite. Whatever you want to draw, you can draw, and after that you can release your mouse after drawing. In between you don't have to draw. You don't have to release your mouse if you want to draw this line, okay? This curve you want to draw, then you have to hold your mouse and you have to do like this. Using mouse you have to do like this. After that you will get that picture. You don't have to release your mouse in between. After drawing your picture, after completing your picture, drawing your picture, you can release your mouse. Okay? Understood? Pencil tool. Next, adding text. It is text tool. It is text tool. Okay? So click on the text tool. First you have to click on the text tool from the tools group. You have to click on the text tool from the tools group. The pointer changes to I shape. When you will click on the text tool, then your pointer, your mouse pointer changes into I shape. Is it clear? Your mouse pointer changes into I shape. Click and drag the pointer on the drawing area. You have to click and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area where you want to place the text. Where you want to type the text, you have to click and drag the pointer on the drawing area. Clear? After that, you can type the text, whatever you want to type. Using keyboard, you can type the text and you will get the text. Is it clear? A dotted rectangular box will appear when you will click and drag the pointer on the drawing area where you want to place the text. Then a dotted rectangular box will appear with a blinking cursor inside it. With a blinking cursor inside a dotted rectangular box will appear with a blinking cursor inside the box. Then there you can type the text. Using keyboard you can type the text and you will get the text. Clear? So, understood about adding text, how to add text. So you have to click on the text tool. You have to click on the text tool which is present in the tools group. The pointer changes into I shape. When you will click on, when you will choose text tool, after that your this mouse pointer changes into I shape. Click and drag the pointer on the drawing area where you want to place the text. The dotted rectangular box will appear and with the blinking cursor inside the rectangular box, there is blinking cursor. There you can type and you can add the text with your picture. Clear? Next, eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase any part of a picture. Eraser tool. As you write in copy and something, if you have written by mistake, you have written any wrong word, then what you use? You use eraser to erase the word. Erase the mistake word, you use eraser. Similarly, likewise, in paint also it is given. If something you have drawn wrong, if something you draw wrong, then you can use eraser to erase the picture. You can use eraser to erase the picture. So the eraser tool is used to erase any part of a picture. Select the eraser tool from the tools group. How to use eraser? First you have to select the eraser tool to erase the picture. And from where you will select? You will select from tools group. So from tools group, first you have to select the eraser. You have to simply click on it. Then choose the size of the eraser by clicking on the desired options in the size button. You can choose the size of the eraser by clicking on the desired option in the size button. There is size button, and size button menu you can choose the size of the eraser. It means you want to small eraser or you want to big eraser. You can choose the size of the eraser from the size button menu. A square will appear in the drawing area. Hold down the left mouse button and move it on the area that you want to erase. Okay? Next, brush tool. Brush tool. So Brush tool is used to draw objects with different kinds of brushes. To use it, click on the brushes drop down arrow. Select any brush type from the list of available options. So, beside the tools group, there is brush tool. You have to click on the brushes drop down arrow. Here, drop down arrow is there. You have to click on it to get the brush. Okay. So select any brush type from the list of available option. When you will click on it, then you will get the different types of brushes. So whatever you want to use, which type of brush you want to choose, you can select from there. Select any color from the colors group. After choosing brush, you can select the color from colors group. Move the pointer to the drawing area. When you will choose the color, first you have to click on the drop down arrow, then you will get the different types of brush. You will select any kind of brush. After that you have to select color. You can choose any color from the colors group. Then you have to move your mouse pointer on the drawing area. Press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse to draw different lines. Okay. When you will move your mouse pointer on the drawing area, then you have to drag, you have to press and hold down the left mouse button. Left mouse button you have to press and hold down and drag the mouse to draw different lines as it is given in your book. Okay, you can draw lines using brush tool. Next, using airbrush tool. Airbrush tool is used to spray color on the drawing area. In the drop down menu, there is airbrush tool also. So airbrush tool is used to spray color on the drawing area to get the picture of like this. It is here, airbrush tool is used. Okay, in butterfly red color there is airbrush tool is used. So to get the picture of that, you can use airbrush tool. So select any color from the colors group. Click on the brushes drop down arrow and select the airbrush option. So first you have to select the colors from the colors group. You have to choose any color from the colors group. After that you have to click on the drop down menu. You will get the airbrush option. Then you have to select airbrush option. Select the desired display size from the size button. You can select the desired display size. Okay, from the size button. Then move the mouse pointer onto the drawing area. After selecting the size, you can move your mouse pointer on the drawing area. After that, click the mouse button on the area where you want to display the color. You can select the area where you want to display the color. You can select your desired area where you want to display the color, where you want to display the airbrush color. Clear? In the same manner, you can make use of other brushes. So dear students, today you have to learn about using tools group. In using tools group, I taught you pencil, adding text, eraser, brush tool, using airbrush tool. In next class, we will learn about the saving the drawing. Okay? So, read your book, try to understand it, and you have to read every part of the topic. Okay, you have to read every topic. Magic of control buttons, maximize the paint button. When you will read it, then you can understand the point what it is saying to do. Okay, so try to read it. Okay, thank you.